Listen, you guys, I have this friend at Bloomingdale's who's quitting tomorrow and he wants to abuse his discount.
Discount. Discount.
And he wants to abuse his discount.
This is going to be a problem, isn't it?
Oh, come on, you're going to Bloomingdale's with Julie? It's like cheating on Rachel in her house of worship.
Worship. Worship.
Cheating on Rachel in her house of worship.
Fur. You went shopping for fur?
Yeah.
Fur. Fur.
You went shopping for fur?
Yeah.
That's clever.
Clever. Clever.
That's clever.
Yeah, he likes it. Reaffirms his faith.
Reaffirm. Reaffirm.
Yeah, he likes it. Reaffirms his faith. Ben, dinner!
Thanks, Aunt Phoebes. Hey, you didn't microwave that, did you? Because it's breast milk and you're not supposed to do that.
Microwave. Microwave.
Hey, you didn't microwave that, did you? Because it's breast milk and you're not supposed to do that.
Someone must have stolen my credit card.
And sort of just put the receipt back in your pocket.
Receipt. Receipt.
And sort of just put the receipt back in your pocket.
You idiot! You stupid cowboy!
Idiot. Idiot.
You idiot! You stupid cowboy!
I probably shouldn't even tell you this, but I'm pretty much totally intimidated by you.
Intimidate. Intimidate.
Pretty much totally intimidated by you.